Hey everybody, this is Charlene and I'm in my home office in Wisconsin today. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about a program that has helped me and can certainly help you. And let's talk about making $100 to $200 per day. So I've started working with a program called the Power Lead System. And what's great about that system is it's really easy to use for new people. There are a lot of people that I talk to every day that are not as savvy when it comes to working online. And we try to make it very easy, step by step, how to get started, how to get your back office set up, how to get your funnel set up, your lead capture pages by simply watching a video and pointing and clicking to get that set up. You can get your back office set up within about 20 minutes or so. And then we also do have a fabulous Facebook group that our leaders have put together where you can get additional training in the back office. Again, more step-by-step instructions to learn as you go to become more advanced. So what I want to share with you today is how simple it is to really earn $100 to $200 per day using this program. The first thing I'm going to talk about though is being consistent and the time frame. This is not a get rich quick business at all. We tell everyone to at least give it 90 days of consistent effort. 90 days because it takes 21 days to create a new habit. We all have terrible habits of wasting time and doing things that are not really beneficial towards developing a business, and it takes you time to get through that. And there's a learning curve if you have not done any sort of online marketing before. So the program is 90 days, and within that 90 days, you should be earning $100 to $200 per day if you are doing all of the steps that the system tells you to do, and you're doing them consistently. So consistently would be, 5 days a week, an hour to 2 hours per day. You want to get results faster, you just put in a few more hours or work an additional day or two. A lot of new people will work 7 days a week because, like I said, there is a learning curve. You're watching videos, just trying to get as much information as you can. But at the same time, you can begin to market your system. So you want to get it started as an affiliate member, a gold member with the Power Lead System. It is $53.97 per month. And it's each month, and now you're an affiliate. So when you have other gold members join your team, that will pay you a $20 commission each month that they are a member. So, as you grow and you're in the system longer, these gold members, continue to build their own business, and they grow in amount. So maybe this week you have 5, 3 weeks from now you have 15 gold members. Each week that number grows and that pays you a $20 commission. So maybe this month you might only make $100 in commissions, but next month you might make $300. The month after that you may make $600 because they keep adding up and snowballing. Okay, so that's the lowest level. We do have some other levels. You can be a diamond and earn $100 commissions. A platinum will earn you $400 commissions, and new to the program is the Master Traffic Institute, which can now pay you $1,000 commissions. So that's a little bit about how the Power Lead System works. I have been working this program consistently for about 6 weeks or so, and just to show you a few of my results here. I'm going into my email, and you can see each of these days I have had new leads come in. You can also see all of these gold members that have arrived. And some days I get one, some days I'll get two. And again, this will build over time. So really since the beginning of April, and almost every day, every other day, I've had a gold or two golds come in to my business. And so those will just continue to generate more residual income as time goes on. So I have the luxury of the leaders in my business who are teaching me what to do and how to do it. And I will assist you along with the leaders in our Facebook group. And our Facebook group is called Freedom Takers, because we are all about taking our freedom back, taking our lives back, and doing the things that we want to do instead of being married to a 9-to-5 job that pays you awful and keeps you, they're telling you what to do, when to do. So that is not freedom. That is like work jail. And we want to set everybody free. So that's the name of our group. It's Freedom Takers. And if I look through here, you'll be able to see, this is some people's results here. This guy had 45 new leads this day, 100 leads here. He had 3 gold members arrive just a couple of days ago, and it looked like he's a relatively new member. I can't tell if he's new or not, but I want to get to... This gal received a $400 commission yesterday, and she didn't even know it. Let's see if anybody had... so here, this guy, he had a couple new golds come in. Lots of leads here. I can't see how many leads. But again, he's relatively new as well. And we have the traffic done for you already. So you don't even need to go out and do that. We really do have everything set up for a plug and play. This is another new member, and his commissions just in the last week, and his new members. I wanted to see if I could find one of the leaders here. Look at all these new gold members that have come in. That means a $20 commission for that particular member each and every month. Here is Amanda. She's one of our leaders, and look at the traffic that she's generating. She's been doing this a little bit longer than the rest of us, so she will have more traffic and also more opt-ins. This guy got his first gold yesterday. Lots of new members. So here, Paul, he's been doing this a little bit longer as well, probably about 9 months or so. And he had some larger commissions because of the new $1,000 program that was just started. So, but some of these folks that have been doing this now for a year, 9 months to a year, they're averaging anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a week. But the name of the game still is generating traffic, getting traffic to your web page, which is already set up for you, so you don't even need to do that, and doing it consistently. So consistently every single day, at least 5 days a week, because if you're not consistent, this isn't going to work for you. Any program, if you're not consistent, is not going to work for you. So you need to take it seriously, treat it like a business. We need to learn how to teach you to get out of your 9-to-5 mindset and realize that this is a business and you take control of what you do every single day, and you too can be earning $100 to $200 per day within 90 to 100 days. And then you just keep building upon that. And who knows where you're going to be in 6 months from now. But you need to take the step forward. You need to take a chance. There are a lot of honest people creating an income online. And I believe that this Freedom Takers group that I am now a part of is just a large group of people. We're all there to help each other, support each other, share with each other. And we're a large group of very honest people who want to help other people. So if you want to make a change, let me help you. Let us help you. We can coach you. But again, it does fall back on you if it's up to, going back to my quote here on what Brian Tracy said, if it's up to me, if it's meant to be, it's up to me. So that means you need to decide that you want to make a change. You need to decide every single day that you're going to put in some time into this business, and I will teach you what to do every single day, but then you have to make sure that you're doing it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on Facebook. I will put a link below this video on how you can get started. Go and watch the video to get more details on how the business plan works. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And here's to your success in 2018. Take care.